Right guys, Woodwork challenge. We're here with T the Angry Kid. Don't even know what I'm aiming for, I'm just going randomly.
To
Sure.
the left or top. That's one.
Oh bro, I'm so bad. You realise I literally can't do anything here. This is just you just hitting them. Oh.
How do you play like a game?
Come on, come on.
Oh, that's
Yeah. Oh, you already got it.
Top one again.
Pretty close, you know. Yes.
Oh!
What is that? I was hitting as well. What is that? What? Oh, wrong one. Fair dues. GG's, man.
Yeah.